Hey my beauties, welcome back to SoulSync. You are going to love this video because we're talking about the quiet wants girls carry in their hearts but rarely put into words. These aren't dramatic demands or unrealistic fantasies. They're soft, emotional cravings that show up in small moments, late nights, and unspoken expectations. Most girls don't ask for these things because they don't want to seem needy, dramatic, or too much. But the truth is, these cravings are deeply human. If you've ever felt like you wanted something but couldn't explain it, this video will feel like a hug. Don't skip any point, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This one hits deep. 1. To be chosen without having to ask. Girls secretly crave feeling chosen, not chased out of convenience. They want to feel like someone decided on them, not just settled. Being picked intentionally feels validating in a way words can't explain. It tells her she's not an option. She's the option. This craving comes from wanting emotional security, not attention. When someone chooses her openly, it calms her overthinking. She doesn't have to guess where she stands. She doesn't have to compete silently. That clarity feels safe and grounding. It allows her to relax into her femininity instead of constantly proving herself. Girls rarely ask to be chosen because it feels vulnerable. But when it happens naturally, it becomes unforgettable. Being chosen heals parts of her she never talks about. 2. Soft reassurance, without begging. Girls crave reassurance more than they admit. Not constant validation, but gentle reminders that they're valued. A simple check-in, a thoughtful message, or consistent effort goes a long way. It makes her feel emotionally held. It tells her she matters without having to ask. Reassurance quiets the inner critic. It soothes the fear of being replaceable. Girls don't want to sound insecure, so they often stay silent. But reassurance feels like emotional oxygen. When reassurance is given freely, it builds trust. She opens up more, she loves deeper, and she stops questioning her worth in the connection. 3. Being missed in small, unexpected ways. Girls crave knowing they're missed when they're not around. Not grand gestures, but small signs. A message saying, "This reminded me of you," or "I thought of you today." Those little moments feel magical. They show she lives in someone's mind even in ordinary life. Being missed makes her feel emotionally significant. It's not about dependence, it's about connection. It tells her her presence matters even in absence. That feeling is incredibly comforting. Girls rarely ask for this because it feels childish to say out loud, but it's one of the sweetest cravings they carry quietly. Emotional safety without judgment. Girls crave emotional safety deeply. A space where they can be soft, messy, and honest without fear. They want to share feelings without being told they're too emotional. Emotional safety feels like freedom to be real. When she feels safe, she opens her heart naturally. She laughs more. She trusts more. She loves more. Safety creates depth in relationships. Girls don't demand emotional safety. They withdraw when it's missing. And when it's present, they stay. 5. Effort that feels natural, not forced. Girls crave effort that feels genuine. Not over-the-top gestures, but consistency. Showing up, remembering details, following through. Effort makes her feel valued without words. Natural effort feels warm. It doesn't feel like obligation or performance. It feels like care. And care is deeply attractive. Girls don't ask for effort because they want it to be chosen freely. When effort is given willingly, it builds emotional intimacy effortlessly. 6. Being desired for who they are, not just how they look. Girls crave being desired beyond appearances. Compliments about looks feel nice, but appreciation for personality feels deeper. Being admired for their mind, kindness, or energy feels validating. This kind of desire feels respectful. It makes her feel seen as a whole person. It builds confidence in a healthier way. Girls rarely say this because society already focuses so much on looks, but being loved for who she is means everything to her. 7. Feeling like a priority without competing. Girls crave feeling like a priority, not an afterthought. They don't want to compete with distractions, excuses, or uncertainty. Feeling prioritized brings peace. It reduces anxiety and self-doubt. When someone makes time intentionally, it speaks louder than promises. It shows commitment without pressure. It feels grounding. Girls won't always say they want to be a priority. They'll just notice when they're not. And that feeling lingers. 8. Soft romance in everyday moments. Girls crave romance that lives in everyday life, not just special occasions, but small gestures. Holding space, thoughtful words, gentle attention. Romance doesn't have to be loud to be powerful. Everyday romance makes life feel warmer. It turns ordinary moments into memories. It creates emotional closeness. Girls rarely ask for this because they don't want to seem unrealistic. But soft romance is what makes them feel cherished. Most of the things girls crave aren't dramatic or demanding. They're soft, emotional needs rooted in connection and safety. If you saw yourself in this video, know that you're not asking for too much. You're asking for the right things. If this resonated, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync so we can keep creating content that understands hearts. And tell me in the comments, which one of these did you feel the most? Let's build a space where softness is strength.